I'm not cooking today. I'm telling you, I'm going to share with you something that is going to blow your mind. If you are an Indian food lover, then this is an absolute must watch. I reckon in my past life, I was Indian. I absolutely love Indian food. Authentic, really, really authentic, really full of flavor recipes or food. However, I find that they are actually really, really hard to come across. I used to have a really dear friend of mine who used to live here in New Zealand, and she now lives in India. She is Indian, and I taught her how to cook Kiwi, traditional Kiwi food, just baking and all that kind of stuff. And she taught me how to cook Indian. So I know the flavors and the work and the ingredients that go into true, authentic Indian food. Now, it's like, I love cooking from scratch, as you know, but it is time consuming. And often when we get Indian takeaways, they don't even come close to the flavors that I am used to. And so often I'm creating more spices, cooking up more spices to add to the takeaways because I just want that authentic flavor. No longer do I need to do that. So I want to introduce you to a product called Dolly Mama. It is like, these products are incredible. I have been experimenting, as you know. I will not promote or recommend a product that I don't truly believe in myself and wouldn't use myself. So I've been playing around with these over the past month, and these are truly, absolutely authentic and incredible. I had a jar of a spinach saguala and all gone. Just like absolutely so intense in flavor. This is a Indian everyday. So what they've done is they've created these products using just like raw, just everyday fresh ingredients and put them into a jar for you to use. This is tandoori paste. And I've got what I want you to stay on till the end, because I've got a 15% discount code that you can use for being a Wicked Wellbeing fan. Now, the way that I use this is the tandoori paste. I just covered my tofu in it and baked it in the oven, and I made a tofu poke bowl. For the spinach saguala, I baked some tofu because I love tofu, and just stirred through the sauce and then served it on cauliflower rice, but you can do it on normal rice as well. This, you can use it however you want to. You could do it with a pasta bake, or just cook up some chicken, or chop up some chicken and put some chicken into it. These jars, they cost about between $16 and $17.50. They serve 4 to 6 people, and if you add a kg of meat to these, that's what the recommendation is. So they'll, for $16 to $17.50, they'll serve a family, which is phenomenal. They also have this, it's called a turmeric latte powder to make your turmeric lattes. It is incredible. I have one of these each morning, and I do half almond milk and half boiling water, and really, turmeric has got amazing health benefits. So, and it's got like so much flavor, it's incredible. So if you want to give these a go, then head to wickedwellbeing.com/Indian. I've put the link in the post above, and you will get a 15% discount for using that link. Now, just to be upfront, because Dolly Mama is their way of saying thank you to me, I get a small percentage off each sale. But I can promise you, you will not be disappointed. Now, that 15% discount code is only available on the individual jars. It's not on the package deals, because those are already discounted. But if you want to get some authentic Indian flavors which are healthy and so easy, then I really recommend that you give these a go. I would love to see in the comments box below, have you heard of Dolly Mama? or are you intrigued to give them a go? Head to wickedwellbeing.com/Indian, and that will take you to their website. The discount will be automatically added at the end. There's no discount code that you need to add. And please share the word. I'd love to know. Okay, thanks for joining me. See ya.